Hey, welcome to the channel, and today I'll show you a delicious donut recipe. Don't miss out, it's really easy to make and it takes only a couple of minutes. By the way, this is my mom's recipe. Mix 4 eggs, 6 spoons of sugar and also 2 tablespoons of vanilla sugar as well. Add 550 grams of cottage cheese and mix again. Add 320 grams of flour and also 1.5 tablespoons of baking powder. If you have cottage cheese that is really wet, you might want to add some more flour. This also can be done by hand, it's no problem. My mom always used to make by hand, she never had this fancy mixer. You want to heat up some oil, but it's not high temperature. And if you are making the donuts, just dip your hand in water. Take a little bit of dough, shape it by hand. You see the consistency is not runny. And then deep fry it. Make sure it's not stuck to the bottom. Also, when they start frying, they always flip around. You don't usually need to do anything. Once the one side is cooked, they're gonna flip over and they're gonna cook itself. It's really interesting like this. I remember when I was a kid, I always stand and was watching and thinking which one is gonna flip first. What magic is this? When they become golden brown, take them out on a paper cloth. Also always make sure that both sides is cooked. As you see, the first one was not cooked on one side. It just needs to stay a little bit longer. Dust it through the sieve with some icing sugar. And there you have it, easy and delicious high protein donuts. Look how fluffy and soft they are inside. Wow. Like and subscribe.